Hello and welcome student in RKIS English grammar class. Today again I am with you to discuss our next topic, and our next topic is verb. I mean today I will discuss verb and its different forms. So look at the board please. Verb. Verbs are the words which give information about any action which is being performed or which are being performed. So simply you can say verb is an action word. Verb or verbs are action words which shows action. Broadly, verbs can be divided into two types mainly. First, non-finite verb. Non-finite verbs, they do not work or act as main verb. They do not behave as main verb. So they are non-finite verb. Second is finite verbs. Finite verbs act as main verb. This is the basic difference between non-finite verb and finite verb. These are not main verb, these are main verbs. So act as main verb. First of all, we will discuss non-finite verb, which are not main verb. Non-finite verbs can be divided into three types. First is infinitive, second gerund, and third participle. So let's discuss the first one. Infinitive. Infinitive is used as to plus first form of verb. So to plus first form of verb. If it is there, then it is infinitive. Infinitive can be used as subject or object. So look at this sentence. To help the needy is good. So here we are using infinitive. To help. Here this to help is working as subject. Example, when infinitive is used as object. Let's take next example. I like to teach children. In this sentence, to teach is working as an object. So keep in mind that infinitive can be, what is infinitive? To plus first form of verb. It can be used as subject and it can be used as object. Come to next. Next is gerund. The gerund form is first form of verb plus ing. Gerund can be used as subject, object, and adjective. So let's take example of all. As subject, smoking is injurious to health. In this sentence, the word smoking is working as subject. Next, nobody likes sitting here. In this sentence, the word sitting is working as object of this sentence. So, next one. I need some drinking water. Here the word drinking has been used as an adjective. So it should be very clear in your mind now that gerund, first form of verb plus ing, can be used as subject, object, as an adjective also. After discussing infinitive, gerund, we are going to discuss participles. Participles can be further divided into three subtypes. Participle alone can be divided into three subtypes. The first one is present participle. The form of present participle is first form of verb plus ing. This present participle shows the action in present or past continuous tense. Present continuous tense or past continuous tense. For example, Monica was dancing with her sister. In this sentence, the word dancing is showing the action in past continuous tense, was dancing. Next subtype of participle is past participle. It is used in the form of third form of verb. It shows completion of action in present perfect tense or past perfect tense. It shows completion of action in present perfect tense or past perfect tense. For example, we have torn the poster. So it is showing the completion of action in present perfect tense, have torn. So I think it is clear. Next is perfect participle. Perfect participle shows the completion of action in past, and it is used in the form of having plus third form of verb. If having plus third form is there, then it is what? Perfect participle, and it shows the completion of action in past. Having eaten food, he left the room. So having eaten, this is what? Perfect participle. Okay, after discussing non-finite verbs, we are going to discuss finite verbs. As I have told you earlier that finite verb means main verbs. Finite verbs can be divided into two types. First one, transitive verbs, and second, intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs, the verbs which directly act upon the object without the use of any preposition etc. are called transitive verbs. Sometime in junior classes, we usually tell students that the verbs with object. The verb with object, when object is there. For example, Ram writes a letter. This is verb and object is also there. So verbs with object are called transitive verb. Second, we will help them. This is verb and this is object. In these sentences, the verb working in this sentence, the verb is directly working on the object. So this is transitive verb. After transitive verb, we will discuss intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are those verbs which do not work directly on the object. They need preposition. They do not need any kind of preposition. Or simply we can say the verbs which are not accompanied by an object are called intransitive verbs. When there is no object, simply you can say Geeta goes. So there is no object. Next sentence, birds fly in the sky. So these are example of intransitive verbs. Okay students, this is all about the verbs. I hope you will enjoy and you will certainly learn something from this video. Have a good day.